My name is Donna Rose Galicia from BSIP 3. And itong number 1 is naka-primary at i-retrieve lahat ng mga primary products from database. Tapos naka-order by dapat. So ito lahat ng na-retrieve and naka-order by siya by size. Yan, itong lahat, itong product name na itong plain croissant, candied beans, pasta, rice, magic syrup, garlic powder, breadcrumbs, milk, pilotos, tissue, tapos yung isa pa. And dito rin lahat itong mga ilan na lang sila, ilang piraso na lang yung stocks. Per box yung per kilo nila. Bale, lahat ng na-retrieve is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Ito yung mga primer products galing sa database. Siyempre, yung query nito, nag-command ng select all from product, order by, p-size. Tapos kapag niran, ito lahat lalabas. Yan. And number 2 naman is ito naman mag-show lahat ng mag-expired na product. So nag-query dito ng select all from product, tapos where yung pa-expired na date from August to August 1, 2023 and 2020 from August 31 to 2023. So lahat ng mag-expired ng August is andito. Ito si plain croissant, candied beans, pasta, rice, golden almond, chocolate croissant, carrot loaf, choco chip loaf. So 8 pieces yung mag-expired by August. Siyempre, andito na rin mga pieces nila. Yung ilan yung mga mag-expired na. So, ito, may mga product image din yan. So, sa number 3 naman is chinote dito yung yung product name, size, yung ilan na lang, tapos yung total sales ng mga to galing sa product cart. So, ito yung nag-show sa Barako, size large, 2 quantities, tapos yung total sales is 440. Americano small, 5 quantities, total sales 25. And then Americano ulit, small, 6 quantities, 36 yung sales. Sa Barako ulit, small naman yung size, 2 quantities, 400. And then plain croissant, single order, 3 quantities, total sales is 900. CGC rice bowl, ang size is single order, 3 quantities, 1,260. Tapos plain croissants, single order, product quantities is 4 na lang. Tapos ang total sale is 1,600. Dito sa number 4 is niretrieve lahat ng total sales by date. So, nag-query na select date uploaded. Sum total amount as total sales from sales group by date uploaded. So, ito yung dalawang na-retrieve by date ha. Ito 2023 09/24 Total sales is 1,730. Pangalawa, 2023 is 126. Total sales niya is 2,440. Itong number 5 is determine yung product entries sa table. So, nag-query ng select count all as number entries from product cart. So, lahat ng entries is 11 lang.